This is Minivet, a ready-to-fly drone that empowers you to change your aesthetic view and make life more wonderful. Attractive and exquisite design, easy to install, and ready-to-fly aerial photography system. With a 3-axis stabilization gimbal, hold the integrated camera that shoots 1080p HD video. We all have a dream of flying when we were a kid. The dream would be always there when we grow up. Minivet allows you to discover your sky. Minivet drone will be your best partners if you are fond of extreme sports. It likes a flying bird with eye, overlooking your adventure, performing from the sky. The nature can always give us the surprise when we go hiking. Height changes your aesthetic view. It will become the best memories if you use Minivet to record yourself from another angle. Entertainment for fun seems to be the best way to relieve stress. Taking Minivet with you, it would give you lots of surprise and makes life more colorful. We will lose interest for many things when we are old. However, the age is just a number when we keep wide interest and have strong curiosity to new things. Driving the Minivet to fly through cave would be easy and fun if you have quite experienced flight skill.
Before falling in love with sports, I can't even imagine the charm of sports is amazing. All the troubles and restraints are gone. Feeling the freedom is incomparable. Be more close to the nature. I even can feel the smell of the nature flavor. Sports make me feel happier. I have no experience of UAV operation, but Minivet 2 has become the best partner of mine during I am in sports. I call it I'm 2. I'm 2 is easy to be controlled, and there is no any complex technical controlling. It can be easily controlled for your flight through the intelligent bracelet. With the help of intelligent bracelet, you can even use your arm to control the movement of M2, so then to capture or record ideal aerial angle. M2 is just like a patron saint of children in a fairy tale story, following the children and flying around. Sometimes I even think that M2 is my patron saint, a UAV patron saint who can follow me around and can leave the wonderful video memory for me.